game creation. We're picking up with Pygame. And today, we're going to start with this. And as I said last time, a lot of basic arcade game mechanics are very similar. So you could find literally hundreds of games that use this kind of mechanic or something very similar to it to create a different game. And so I'm going to take this game template code, which is exactly the same code that you can download from Canvas, and I'm going to modify it, give it new graphics, a few changes, and you'll see a completely different game. So I'm going to go from the airplanes and the missiles to a game where I'm going to control a little person here on the bottom. And we're going to run back and forth. And instead of trying to not get hit by missiles, we're actually going to try and catch things before they hit the ground. So that's the new mechanic. So things come from the top, person runs back and forth to catch them, and if you drop them, then you lose. So if they hit the ground, then you lose. Completely different game. So here are the graphics I'm going to use. Okay, I'm going to use a little skateboarder, and to make it ultra realistic, I'm going to have him face the direction that he's skateboarding in, right? So when he goes left versus right, we're actually going to change the image up so he's facing the right direction. This will be the background. And we're going to have 4 different types of items fall from the sky, just to vary it up a little bit. Okay, so you can see I spared no expense purchasing graphics for this game.